This is the EDC flashlight model V20 1000 lumens. It's got a built-in battery with the Type-C charger, portable clip, beeping alarm with a flash, the 180 rotation, magnetic, as well as multicolor lighting. So the flashlight itself, this is a small but very powerful flashlight. Comes with a keyring, your USB charger, as well as your small lanyard. The flashlight itself, remove your plastic covers or rubber covers, and you'll see the nice small compact flashlight. 2 buttons on the front. First button holding in just turns the flashlight on and it goes off. Double tap that. Hang on. Double tap it and the flashlight comes on. Tap it again and the brightness increases. The side light is going to be for your alarm, or double tap it and you have a red light, your blue light, emergency, white light, orange light, and green light. Double tap and it turns off. That is really bright. And then it has the 180, come on, turn on. There we go. Has the 180 degree rotation with a magnet on the bottom, which now allows you to put the flashlight down and work hands-free. We will also get some when the sun goes down and it gets darker out, so you can see how bright the flashlight actually gets. And once again, that is the EDC 1000 lumen mini flashlight. Show you guys how bright this is. So that's the lowest setting right now. For a little flashlight, that is really bright.